Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Some of you know this already, but I've been in Germany for a couple of months, and it is because my mom suffered a stroke and I'm here to take care of things for her. And so I haven't had much time and energy to publish any videos lately, but here is another one from Bombay Beach. In this video, we are rehoming a bee colony that moved into an exterior storage compartment of Misty during my stay in the Anza Borrego Desert. I tried finding help from local beekeepers to rehome the bees and mostly heard, oh, they might be Africanized bees and you better talk to Pest Control or just spray them and kill them. And I did not want to do that. So they ended up traveling with us for about 2 months. Till I found two brave souls in Bombay Beach, California, who were willing to help me rehome those bees. So here's the video for you. Oh, and make sure to check out the short section of my channel as well. There's a lot of fresh content there. And make sure to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you later. And please don't try this yourself. If you have a bee problem, seek professional help. My friends removed a few things from the storage compartment so that we can get a first glimpse at the beehive. And it was much larger than we thought. After carefully evaluating the situation, we came up with a plan.
Get something underneath that nest and knock it off.
Yeah.
Now that towel's right there. We could even drop it on the towel and then just pull the towel out. And then you cradle it with the towel and then have even, if we can get part of the towel into the box, you know, you would pull it like a rug. Look, here's one. Any less are flying out.
And staying calm is really essential in this process. We are trying to rehome the bees. We have bee boxes already. We're trying to remove the honeycombs, find the queen, and move the colony.
That one, you can see the ones that have got the pollen on them. They're taking it back in. I think this is bigger than I thought. That's all right. You're gonna get the ones that check you out. Usually, I've already had 3 or 4.
So what is the thing with white?
It's just neutral, so like they don't. Colors can kind of make them act funny.
Oh my God!
Hey, could you get us something to catch the honey?
Oh my God!
I think there's gonna be a lot more. So
yeah. And then you're gonna bring the hive to you.
Yes. That is the goal. Wow.
Like it stung you?
It's stingers in my. You can see I left the stinger in my hand.
You want me to pull it?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. You can see it clean as day. If you get it right on the palm of my hand behind my pinky there, just squat down and go slow, man. Look, there's one on my forehead.
Yeah.
This one?
Yep. That's it. You can show that off. You can probably get that on that GoPro easily.
Let me see that. Okay. How can you find the queen? The bees are getting a little bit stirred up now that the first honeycomb was removed. Africanized bees are a crossbreed between the European honeybees and the bees from Africa. They entered the United States in the 1990s and can be found in southern Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California. Oh my God, you're so brave. They look very similar to the European honeybees. They're just slightly smaller in size and have a little bit of a darker brownish color. They are also called killer bees because they're much more defensive when disturbed and attack in large numbers.
Okay. Almost looks like the length of a wasp or something would be longer. Oh, got me another one.
We got it all exposed now.
Look, there's a tree peck.
Where are you making it?
Got a half trick on me.
Ay, ay, ay.
We're gonna be able to pop it right into
those
that
bees in
top
here.
now. It's perfect in place. So once we get it dropped down there, then we just gotta pull it out, pop it in this box, and we're good. We should probably get these dudes out of here.
Oh my God, look at that.
Got the little maggots in there, little babies. They're on the bottom. So you said queen, small and skinny?
Playing with the bees today.
That is insane. That is insane.
Going down yet?
They're getting little. I don't see nothing falling. Okay, yeah, one of them, it's on the back.
Is it falling in the pot?
No, you gotta pull it forward. Come on, get down here with me.
Oh, I see. Oops. So there's another one back there. Did it fall down?
One piece did, but not.
What about
and
the
you're at the
closer
top.
one?
Switch me. You're doing nice, bro. Okay, it just fell onto the red, so we're gonna have to pull that.
Fucking mouth. Right on the lip. Motherfucker. Bandana would have been a great idea.
Yep.
Man.
Take a breather. You got more flying. I got twice on the arm.
It definitely was time for a break. In the meantime, a young couple almost drove their car off of a cliff. They were in need of help. But back to the bees. Man. Be careful, Ralphie. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. As I was hiding from the bees behind the white truck, I got to witness a spider catch a bee. Is the queen on there? Wow. Oh my God.
That's cool as hell.
Dude.
More?
Lay flat on your back.
You're kidding me, there's more?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, tongs.
This is the closest I have to it. Like
We got it.
two of these, you got it?
Slow, slow.
Okay. After removing all the honeycombs, we tried to find the queen but didn't have much luck. But that honey was the best honey I've ever tasted. The patterns you see inside there is where the honeycombs were attached. Other than that, it looks pretty clean. There's just a few more bees in there. We burned sage to calm them down a little bit. Let's hope they like their new home. To my surprise, the bees returned the next day. They swarmed my wagon and checked inside the storage compartment. I guess they were looking for the queen before leaving for good.